I could also never ever write a conclusion from a module 3 essay, and if you think that's crazy, just stick around and I'll show you that there's some method to the madness. No. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As usual, full notes for this video are in the description box below, and of course sample essays for this year's paper. And bonus, I have created an exam prep package where you can see 4 hours of our past marathons, of course, where we cover common student mistakes as well as key topics from the syllabus. As an added bonus, there's also an inclusion of our yearly mock exam where you'll find never before asked questions for paper 2, and if you do it, you can get detailed feedback from either me or one of our tutors here. What else? I shouldn't be fumbling the bag, but anyways, there are also multiple choice questions for both listening and of course the written part of the exam. So if that's something you're into or you need, description box below, and tell a friend. No, the introduction says my introduction. Wow. No, the module 3 essay is a propose. Ooh, I kicked the camera. We good? We good? We good? Okay, so the introduction, let's jump into the introduction. The Caribbean is no stranger to natural disasters. Therefore, being aware and prepared is of utmost importance for the survival and sustainability of our region. I feel so presidential. The Turner Sixth Form class has been tasked with hosting a rally to support the spread of awareness of natural disaster preparedness in the community. I have pulled the name Turner Sixth Form out of my bum. It doesn't exist, and that's perfectly fine. Therefore, we are formally requesting permission to move forward with the planning and execution of this project. As I said, I feel so bougie, so presidential. First body paragraph though, that's where I started to talk about my message points, and I think a lot of people get confused about the whole message point. In the message point, you need to actually state what the message point is. A lot of people usually go for describing the message point, but that's not what you're supposed to do. You're actually supposed to state what the message point is and justify why it's effective, right? So I said the need for this rally cannot be overstated, and the message points, I believe, are supposed to appeal to logic, or it should follow or appeal to logos. So the Caribbean region faces natural disasters yearly. That is my first message point, and that's appealing to logic. I will go ahead and provide evidence, again helping me to link it to logic. So that's especially hurricanes between June and November. Earthquakes are also common, with the 2010 Haiti earthquake. You know that, you know what happened there. E's, H, and then an E. I set myself up. Anyways, earthquakes are also common, with the 2010 Haiti earthquake serving a major reminder of our vulnerability. Makes sense. Now my justification. With that said, awareness and preparation are key to ensure sustainability and longevity of our community. Additionally, and now I will go on to tell you my second message point. Between 1950 and 2016, the region experienced over 300 disasters. This resulted in more than 250,000 deaths, not to mention affecting over 24 million people. Then, explaining or justifying my point, these numbers prove the urgency and high priority required for preparation. So, as you can see, after every point, I need to justify my point. So if there's no justification for your point, chances are you won't get full marks for it. Okay? Now for my second body paragraph, I'm going to talk about the activities. I need 2 activities for the 2 days of my rally, and I'm going to use the same approach. I'm going to tell you my 2 activities and justify my reasoning for using those. So to ensure that the rally is both informative and engaging, we propose 2 major activities across the 2 days. First, we will host carnival style games themed around safety and disaster awareness. And the reason for this is to target younger audiences, right? And get them involved early. Justification. Second, now this is my second proposed activity. We will organize mini training seminars for parents and adults in the community. These will be led by personnel from the local fire department and police station. Then justification, and this was brief just to not repeat myself. These sessions will focus on real-life safety techniques and emergency readiness. And I think that was okay. Not perfect, but okay. Then our last paragraph, conclusion. Again, it's not an essay, it's a proposal. So I don't see the need for a conclusion. I don't see the need for a conclusion. And I told you, you see, if you're not able to tell me about everything that you suggested in your essay above, then your conclusion is not effectively developed and you're definitely going to lose points for expression. So I beg, either develop a conclusion properly or leave it. Just leave it for the module 3 essays. So to further extend the impact of the rally, we will use digital media technology, a social media campaign, and that's across TikTok and Facebook. And my reasoning is for Facebook to reach an older community or older community members, and TikTok for the younger ones. Explanation: these platforms will help to promote events and continue spreading awareness even after the rally ends. And I think that's okay. And as I said, writing these essays are just up to you and how you feel, right? So I guess take what I'm saying and don't treat it as a stern rule for essay writing, because again, it's always up to you. I'm just giving you a template and advice on where to start. But anyways, if this helped, don't forget to share it with a friend, and of course, watch another one.